Hey guys, quick update. I painted the boys' closet, and I think I did an okay job. Yeah, it was the same color as the girls. Matter of fact, the color is still up there because I have not gotten to that part yet. We have to take this basketball down, but overall, I think I did okay. Yeah, this is like my first time painting. This right here is Devin's toy bin. I'm about to put that up. I got this from IKEA. I'm like excited about that. And then right here is just somewhere they can put their shoes right here. So I'm gonna let the closet dry, and I'm gonna show you guys how the girls' closet. So you guys, here's the girls' closet. I'm doing an update on the girls' closet, and here it is right here. He did a good job. Overall, he did a really, really good job. You see, they have the shelf at the top right here, so they can store little baskets or whatever. I gotta get them some of that. She has a basket right there. My husband got her yesterday. Another shelf, and then this also is a longer shelf right here. You can actually play around with this. The closet and how it looks right here. I'm loving it. So I got the boys over here. Well, the boys over here fixing up the shoe rack. Nice shoe rack. And then I'm right here doing my thing, guys. Okay, you guys, this is how the boys' closet came out. I'm like really happy. Everything looks so clean. Now, DJ ended up putting up the shoe rack. My kids need some more shoes, yeah. But this toy bin right here, the storage bin, yeah, this thing is huge. I'm so loving it. IKEA, hands down for y'all. But I'm gonna get off of here. I just wanted to show you guys again how everything came out. And if you like this video, give your girl a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.